अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उर्दू पॉइंट के साथ मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान दानियाल सुहेल। नाज़रीन, ऑस्ट्रेलियाई जर्नलिस्ट डेनिस पाकिस्तान में मौजूद हैं। वो 5 मुख्तलिफ़ शहरों का उन्होंने दौरा किया है और आज वो लाहौर में हैं। वो पाकिस्तान में एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाने के सिलसिले में आए हैं। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं। Being a part of international community, cricket is banned in Pakistan. What is your opinion? Because terrorist attacks in many countries as well.
Yes. So first thing, cricket's not banned in Pakistan. Countries are just choosing not to play in Pakistan, and so I think they need to inform themselves better. I know, when I came here, I went to the government website of Australia, of the USA, and England, and the UK, and all three said do not travel to Pakistan unless you really need to. So the governments are telling the countries it's not safe. So there are some issues, right? But it's getting better here, and there are issues all around the world. And as we were talking before, I've had terrorist attacks in Sydney, yet people still come and play cricket in Sydney. There's terrorist attacks in London, people still play cricket in London. If my kids want to go to Disneyland, do I tell them no, we're not going to the USA because of September 11 and what happened in Las Vegas the other week? Of course not. In life, there's certain risks. Anywhere, I could get hit by a bus, whatever, I could have a heart attack. But I don't feel any tension here as I'm here at the moment. And as long as the right security provisions are in place, we should bring cricket back to Pakistan, and we should do it now.
Your slogan is Dennis Does Pakistan. What's the spark behind this slogan?
So my website is Dennis Does Cricket. Okay, so I've just changed the word cricket to Pakistan. That's it.
Are you happy with satisfied with the environment and the culture of the Pakistan and security measures?
The security measures have been interesting. So we had none. I didn't plan for any. We went to one place, Bar Wulpor, where the police insisted that we had a police escort, but they also told me it's very safe. So if it's safe, why do I need a police escort? I don't know, but I feel extremely safe. I don't feel any tension. I've been eating on the streets. I've been walking the streets in Karachi and Lahore, Multan and so forth, and people are leaving me alone. People aren't harassing me, even though we have the cameras as we're making the documentary. So my personal experience is I don't feel any different here than I would in Melbourne, or I would in Chennai, or I would in Houston.
जी नाज़रीन, आज हमारे साथ ऑस्ट्रेलियाई जर्नलिस्ट मौजूद थे। जो एक मीटअप सेशन रखा गया था, वो पाकिस्तान में एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाने के सिलसिले में आए हैं। उम्मीद करते हैं आपने आज का प्रोग्राम एंजॉय किया होगा। मज़ीद इसी तरह के दिलचस्प प्रोग्राम्स देखने के लिए विज़िट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट urdupoint.com। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।